guys the tree that I hit, which is right there. Full throttle, let's go. Sideways. I got a new Briggs & Stratton motor for our grinder. This is an easy job today, and some of my tasks today involved maintaining the farm equipment. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog, and it's pretty hot. It's lunchtime now, but we just had a delivery from Manila and we're going to be maintaining all the farm equipment, and now we're going to be replacing the front arm for the UTV because a few weeks ago I ended up smashing the UTV into a tree. There it is. This is a Polaris RZR 900. Broken arm yesterday. I mean, sorry, not yesterday, the other week or 2 weeks ago. So smashed this straight into a tree, and that's what happened. So today we're gonna be dropping the lower arm and getting it out so that we can replace it. What do you say about my farm experience?
Your farm experience?
Yes, about things like this.
That things don't last very long with you?
I told you people do this, right? They fix it, they break it, and then they do it again.
There's also people who like to take care of things and make sure it lasts for a while so they enjoy it, but also don't fuck it up after they've recently fixed it.
But that's part of the experience.
That's yours. And you don't have any play toy for a few weeks and then you do this. You like, it's your thing. Whatever, it's you.
Alright guys, we're gonna get busy and start removing parts. So I looked at everything and the shield needs to come down first, and then we're gonna end up cracking the lower ball joint mount here, removing the shock and suspending the shock upwards, and then removing those. What I'm going to try to figure out is how to remove the bushings there and the C-clip and lower ball joint there. That's going to be the challenge, and hopefully 141 will be done by 3:30.
Yada yada, blah 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 blah. Fucked it up, now I'm fixing it.
Moral support, everyone.
Yeah.
Alright, later on we'll be servicing the Craftsman. The belt underneath for the blade is done, and then we gotta change the oil filter, air filter, and I don't know what else I got, but full service for this also. There's another guard right here, which I guess protects the CV boot. Okay, that bent severely too. There you go. Okay, shock tension removed. Arm is nice and free. Next up will be the lower arm already here. Oh, nice and loose. Have another tool to widen this. It's easier than I thought. So it's a good thing we were fixing the arm, because this one is so loose that you really don't need much effort. So which reminds me to just double check everything. So this side actually I've been into an accident with already, and not the first rodeo. It's just that the accident was much lighter and we were able to just straighten it. Clip out. Oh, the ball joint's dead. It's super luwag. Tapos, that's it. So first off, gotta put the bushings back on. Leia, stop it. Yo. That's it. We're on the last stretch, which is the lower arm guard and then the wheel, and we're done, which is fairly quick. But that's what's nice with these Polaris, is they're so quick and serviceable. Not bad. It is 3 o'clock. Good job. Check on the Craftsman right here. Wilson managed to drain the oil. Look how, it's like so black. So I'm gonna help him finish this up too. Wilson's busy removing the lower belt, and I took out the main belt here so he can unloop all that and then re-loop everything. I will be working on the fuel filter. Sorry. So if you guys have no oil filter remover, this is a bad fix, but as long as you have the right filter replacement, which we do. Hindi, tagos tayo. Tagos mo. Para may kapit ka. Yan, tagos mo siya, good, and then I'm just getting, and we just made a complete mess in the garage. show you guys the tree that I hit, which is right there. So I came around this corner and smacked right there. Trying to drift it around, trying to avoid that fallen tree, hit that tree, push the whole tire in. And I managed to limp it home because it was still straight even though the whole caster is off. Some donut marks in my property. Come on, let's go explore. So much mud from yesterday's getting stuck. Gotta warm up. Leia is such a nuisance. Try to get ahead of her without running her over. Big rocks. Full throttle, let's go. Sideways, by the shore, big rock, brake, turn in, don't slip. Oh yeah, do it again. Have to be careful because Lala's sometimes there. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. Super sideways. Oh yeah. Leia, always in the way. Here's another farm truck or farm tractor that we need to service. Wilson started on this one last night. Just checking in on him. And I heard we actually are lacking oil because this is diesel, unlike these guys which are gas. Nice and clean. Ready for tomorrow.